Exploring Functions and Scope in JavaScript Beginner's Guide. Welcome to our Beginner's Guide on Functions and Scope in JavaScript. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to understand the fundamentals of functions and how scope works in JavaScript. Hey there, JavaScript enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to dive into the world of functions and scope with you. Let's start with the basics. In JavaScript, a function is a block of reusable code designed to perform a specific task. It's like having a mini program within your main program. Simple function definition. Here, we defined a function called greet that simply logs hello world to the console. And when we call this function, it executes the code inside it, producing the expected output. Functions can also take inputs, which we call parameters. These inputs make our functions more versatile and dynamic. Function with parameters. Now, our greet function can personalize the greeting by taking the name parameter. Next up, let's talk about scope. Scope determines the accessibility of variables in your code. Nested functions and scope. In this example, outer var is accessible within both the outer and inner functions. However, inner var is only accessible within the inner. And there you have it, folks. Functions and scope are essential concepts in JavaScript programming. By mastering them, you'll unlock the power to write more efficient and organized code. Thanks for joining us on this JavaScript journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coding adventures. Happy coding!